Hey, Bye Smart family. Welcome back to another episode where we compare, contrast, and help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a drone battle royale between the ATTOP Drone W10 and the istone ICE 5 drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk camera quality. The ATTOP Drone W10 sports a 1080 PFPV camera with a 120 degrees wide view. It's like having a GoPro strapped to a flying toy, but without the GoPro price tag. Perfect for those, I swear I'm a professional aerial shots. Now, the istone i5 also has a 1080 PHD camera, but with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. So if you ever feel the need to tilt your drone's head like a confused puppy, this one's for you. But hey, why stop there? The istone's app even offers real-time panoramic views. Because who doesn't love a good panorama of their backyard? Winner for camera? It's a tie, folks. Both are great, but the ATTOP gives you a wider angle, while the istone lets you adjust. Next, let's talk flight time. ATTOP Drone W10 gives you a decent flight time, but let's be honest, it's like a teenager on a caffeine rush. Exciting, but short-lived. Meanwhile, the istone 5 drone boasts up to 30 minutes of flight time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. That's like binge-watching an episode of your favorite show while your drone is still up there pretending it's a bird. So if you want to spend more time flying and less time charging, the istone i5 takes the trophy here. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're prone to crashing drones like I am. The ATTOP Drone W10 is super beginner-friendly. It even supports toss to launch. Just throw it like a frisbee and hope for the best. The istone i5, on the other hand, comes with features like one-key start, landing, and hand gesture photo/video. It's almost like having a mini Jedi drone. Wave your hand and it obeys. But be careful not to wave goodbye. Both are pretty user-friendly, but the ATTOP's toss-to-launch feature is a game-changer for lazy people like me. So ATTOP wins this round. Advanced flight functions, anyone? The ATTOP W10 is loaded with cool tricks. 360 degrees flips, headless mode, and trajectory fly. It's like the Cirque du Soleil of drones. The istone ICE 5 is no slouch either, with its powerful brushless motors and foldable design. It's like the James Bond of drones. Sleek, powerful, and ready for action. But let's be honest, who doesn't love a good 360 degrees flip? ATTOP W10 wins this one for sheer fun factor. Finally, let's talk portability. The ATTOP W10 comes with propeller guards and spare propellers, but let's face it, it's still a bit bulky. The istone i5, however, is foldable and can fit in your pocket. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Going on a hike? Just slip it into your pocket and you're good to go. So for those on-the-go adventurers, the istone 5 takes the cake here. Based on Amazon reviews, the ATTOP Drone W10 is praised for its user-friendly features, good camera quality, and durability, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. However, it does have some issues with flight control and battery life. On the other hand, the istone 5 drone is noted for its longer flight time and portability, but it has mixed reviews regarding camera quality and control reliability. Some users have experienced connectivity issues and loss of control. So folks, there you have it. If you're on a budget and looking for a fun, beginner-friendly drone, the ATTOP Drone W10 is your go-to. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for longer flight time and portability, the istone 5 is the way to go. Drop a comment below on which drone you think takes the crown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.